Welcome everybody to another delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love, and I am the host, Gracie Love. So it is still pretty chilly outside, and one of the best things I love is to eat some chili. And so I'm going to show you guys this really simple and easy and delicious chili recipe, okay? So in my brand new little pot set, shout out to my baby Nevaeh for getting me a nice little set for Christmas. I have some ground beef. You can use turkey. You can also use stew meat if you really want that chunky chili. That is perfect for that. So I'm gonna add my seasonings to that. I got some Cajun seasoning I'm gonna add because I want to give my chili just a little bit of heat. And also add some hot sauce in there once it gets all simmered up. I'm gonna add in some minced onion. You can of course use fresh onion. You could also use green bell pepper. That would be really delicious. I got some minced garlic. Again, you can use fresh garlic, whatever you have. Ooh, that garlic is hitting in that onion. All right, so I got that in there. And I'm going to use this adobo sauce. I'm trying to cut back on using a lot of salt, so this adobo is really good. All right, so now I got all my seasonings in there. We're going to go ahead and put it on the stove, get it nice and brown. And once that's done, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients to get this chili right. All right, so let's get this on the stove. And I'm going to put mine on a high, so that'll be between about 5 and 6, okay? And let that brown right on up. All right, so now our ground beef is perfectly cooked. Let me see if these handles aren't hot. Oh, no, they are definitely hot. But I want you guys to see how beautiful this looks. All right. So that's what it should really look like. I'm not going to drain it. I'm not going to do anything to it. And I love chili because it's one of those one pan dishes. Who doesn't love one pan dishes, right? So into my ground beef, I'm going to add some beef broth. Okay, I'm going to just pour that right in there. It's going to really enhance that flavor. I'm going to add some diced tomatoes in there. And then I'm going to add some tomato sauce paste you could use as well. That's just really going to give it that really good thickness that we like with our chili. And then I'm going to give that a stir. And we're going to let that simmer for about 20-25 minutes, okay? And again, that's another thing about chili. A 30-minute meal, okay, takes about 10-15 maybe minutes, depending on how big of a pack of ground meat that you're using. But 10 minutes to ground that meat, 20 minutes to simmer, and dinner is done. And that's how us moms like it, especially if you're a mom like me and you're doing different business things. You also work a 9 to 5, 5 days a week, right? You still have to make sure kids are bathed and fed. So those quick 30-minute one pan dishes, right? Because cooking and then having to clean up after, right? I'm so thankful for my dishwasher. But if you're old school like my mom and you don't use your dishwasher for nothing but to dry them dishes, right? You don't want to be washing a whole bunch of dinner dishes. You don't want to be washing what you cooked in and what you ate in. So I love the one pan dishes. And then, like I said, it's nice and it's cold, so you can definitely use this. Your kids is probably sick, so they need something thick and hearty, and you can give this as a quick, easy meal. So now that we got all the rest of our ingredients in, like I said, we'll just let that simmer right up for about 20 minutes. All right, so the chili has finished simmering, and it is my favorite part. It is time to plate. So I have my nice little glass bowl here, and I'm going to fill with a nice healthy helping of some chili. Oh, it smells so delicious. Those tomatoes look amazing. All right. So I'm gonna hit it with my cheese. cheese and chili, why not? You can also make cornbread too. That's something I love with chili. I got my cheese. I don't have oyster crackers, but you could also use oyster crackers. I'm gonna crunch me up some crackers in my chili. Okay, and now I got my sour cream. All right, and I'm gonna stir that up real nice. Oh, that right there, that's a nice bowl of chili, baby. That is a nice bowl of chili. That's spot on. That is spot on, you guys. Oh, definitely for the holidays. It's chilly weather, so perfect. And I don't miss that salt at all. Using less salt, it just really, it tastes a lot better because I'm not weighing myself down with all that salt, and I'm able to play with more seasonings as well. So give a little less salt a try, you guys. You won't be disappointed. You can still get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon, and also make sure you guys check out the new single featuring Red Vegas, Take Me Away, right on YouTube. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to subscribe. Make sure you like and comment, you guys. Is chili a stew or is it a soup? Like, what really is it? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to another delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love.